Hello, in this tutorial we will learn about how to set measuring unit in AutoCAD. As in previous video we set a drawing unit. So let me just give you one example here. For example, I want to draw a line here of 100 millimeter. So I will give 100 unit here because we have set a unit in millimeter there as drawing unit. So I will just give 100 value and I will hit enter. Now this is 100 millimeter line here, you can see. Now I want to measure this line and let's see what will be the result here. So I will just enter a command of DAL, what for dimension. We will look about these commands and these things in very detail in next module. So I will just click here to activate this one and I want to measure this one. Now let's see what will be the result. Here you can see it is in feet and inches. Okay, so we have to just change this is drawing unit, it is not in millimeter, so we have to just choose a millimeter here because our drawing unit is in millimeter and our measuring unit, as you can see, it is in inches and feet. So I will just delete this one and I will go here in measuring unit. For that I will just enter a command D for dimension style. I will hit enter. Now you can see here dimension style manager is going to appear here. Now we will look about in more detail in dimensions, but I will just give you overview here. I will just go here in modify and from here I will go here in primary unit. Here you can choose measuring unit. Okay, right now you can see it is engineering, that is why it is showing feet and inches. So I want to select from here as decimal, as our drawing unit is in millimeter or in this decimal, so I will select decimal and you can choose precision as well from here. So I want 2 decimal for example and I will press OK. Now just I will go here and I will select as set current and I will close this one. Now let's check it again and let's see what will be the result here. So I will check it and now you can see it is 100 millimeter. So this is what measuring unit is all about. Okay, now here you can see one more thing that the measuring unit is not visible. Okay, when I'm going to zoom in it is going to visible and zoom out it is not visible for us. So we can change this setting as well. I will just go again in dimension style. I will enter D command, I will hit enter and I will go into modify. Okay, and I will just go here in text and from here you can just choose the text height. So right now I need for example 3 unit of height. Okay, and I will press OK and then I will just select as set current and I will close this one again. Let me check this whether it is okay or not. Okay, and now it is visible for us, but problem here is now you can see here the arrows here are also too small, so you can just change this setting as well. Okay, again I will just go here in dimension style with D key and I will go here in modify and then I will go here in symbol and arrows. So we will look about these all setting in very detail in dimension module, but I'm just giving you overview here that you can measure any object. Okay, so I will go here and I will change this as 3 unit and I will press OK, then set current and then I will close this one again. Let me check it. So I will just enter a command of DEL. Now you can see arrows are visible for us and dimension is also visible for us. Now this is the method that how we can set measuring unit here, and I hope you understand both of these, what is drawing unit and how we can set drawing unit, and what is measuring unit and how we can set measuring unit. We will just look about in very detail in dimension module. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.